Here are 3 common mistakes students make while learning Arabic. 1. Not recognizing the uniqueness of the Arabic writing system and dialects. Unlike many languages that use a modified Latin alphabet, Arabic has its own distinct script. This can be a hurdle for beginners, especially those unfamiliar with right-to-left writing. Arabic also has various dialects spoken across different regions. While modern Standard Arabic, MSA, is used for formal settings and media, colloquial dialects are used in everyday conversations. Failing to recognize this distinction can lead to confusion and difficulty communicating with native speakers. 2. Underestimating the importance of pronunciation. Arabic pronunciation can be tricky for those accustomed to European languages. It has sounds not found in English, like the emphatic consonants, khaa, etc., and the different vowel sounds. Mastering these sounds requires consistent practice and attention to detail. Neglecting proper pronunciation can make it difficult for native speakers to understand you. 3. Relying solely on one learning method. Arabic isn't a language you can learn passively. It requires a multi-pronged approach. Textbooks alone might not be enough to grasp the complexities of grammar and colloquial speech. Effective learning involves a combination of methods, such as using audio resources for pronunciation, practicing speaking with native speakers, watching Arabic movies or shows for immersion, and utilizing interactive learning apps.